Hello. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to properly copy and paste complex math equations from Perplexity AI into a Word or PDF document. First, copy your equation from Perplexity. Then head over to bibcit.com and open the tool called Massive Mark. Click Try Now, paste in your equation, and hit Insert. Boom! It formats everything beautifully. Now just click Download and choose your preferred Word format, or export directly as a PDF. Just like that, your document is ready with clean, professional-looking math formulas, no weird formatting or errors. You'll find the link to the tool in the video description below. If this helped you out, give it a like, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick, smart tutorials from the boring content. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.